Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Easy Start. This isn't an unboxing or review video, but it's going to be the first video in our channel in this category. Yes guys, tips and tricks for Windows PC. Make sure you are subscribed and hit the bell icon for notifications of future uploads. Okay fellas, you know what this video is about by watching the thumbnail. Yes guys, we are going to use an antivirus software which is very effective and free in Windows PC. There are many antivirus softwares out there. Many of them are yearly subscribed or paid software, which do the same but with some sacrifice in performance of your holy grail PC. But the simple clicks of buttons enables you to escape from the money hunting antivirus companies, because the built-in security API of Windows is far better than the ones which you install paying thousands of rupees, because it is integrated within the OS itself, so it won't eat up memory or won't affect the performance of your system. Okay, let's see how to turn on Windows Defender in Windows 10. Press Windows key or click on the bottom left icon and click on the settings. From the settings menu, double click on the update and security. From the list, click on the Windows Defender and click on the Windows Defender Security Center. Then a dialog box will open. From the dialog box, turn on the virus and threat protection. Now you are safe to go. Please keep your Defender definitions up to date so it may find and remove threats and virus more effectively. Windows Defender also have built-in firewall, so web surfing is also secured and protected in real time. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Peace.